Good morning, children. Let's begin with the Hindi prayer that we have learnt. धन्यवाद प्रभु धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद प्रभु धन्यवाद, जीवन मिला है तुझसे प्रभु, तेरी कृपा से हमें, तेरी कृपा से हमें, धन्यवाद 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 सदा सर्वदम, आशीष मिली है तुझसे प्रभु, तेरी कृपा से हमें, तेरी कृपा से हमें, धन्यवाद 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 सदा सर्वदम. We finished the whole prayer, so I want you all to sing this prayer, take a video and send it to me. Okay, now open the English book to page number 67. Page number 67. The chapter's name is The Egg. What is the chapter's name? The Egg. Okay, so let's start reading the chapter. Baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. I'm going to find some food, said mummy one day. You must look after the egg until I return. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. I'm sure I'm very good at looking after eggs, she thought. Just then she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. Baby parrot tried to call like a monkey too. She peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg. She looked around and gulped. It was broken. Mummy would be angry. But when Mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all. Don't worry, Mummy said, as a little parrot popped out of the broken eggshell. The egg has hatched while I was away. Now you've got a new baby sister to play with. Okay, so this is the story of the egg. You all need to read this, and now I'll just read these words. Baby, wrap, eggshell, parrot, remember, hatch, mummy, gulp, sister, comfortable, angry, edge. Okay, and these are the words. So you all will just revise the whole thing. This you are going to take a video. This you will revise by yourself. If you want, you can take a video of you all talking about these words. Okay, and send it to me. That's what you need to do for English. Now we are going to do this last worksheet for the month of March. Okay, where you again the school name and the month is mentioned. You will write your name and you will write the date. Okay, now we've already done this topic of currency in maths. Okay, so this is just a revision for you all. How many 20 rupees notes will make rupees 20? So you need to write the number of notes. Okay, if you will read the questions, you will be able to answer. And after doing this, turn the sheet. Answer, take a picture and send it to me. Turn the sheet. On this page, I want you to draw something related to Holi. Okay, you all will try to occupy the whole page. Okay, you can just write Holi drawing and you will draw whatever you like. You can draw a boy and a girl with pitchkari, or you can draw some people playing with color, or you can draw the Holi puja. Okay, anything related to Holi, you all will draw on this, take a picture and send it to me. Now for maths, we are going to do rote counting. We've already done until 200. Now we are doing 200 to 250. Okay, so it will be 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249 and 250. Okay, so you are going to write this in your maths book, take a picture and send. So this is how it will look, rote counting from 200 to 250. After writing in your books, you will take a video of you all talking, okay, of you all reading these numbers. So you will read 200, 201, 202, 203. You are going to say like this, okay. So two things for this maths. Now we'll do coloring. Today we are not going to do EVS, but we'll finish this coloring. Okay, come to the next page. I think it's page number 10 after this page. So it's page number 10. Just like how we have done earlier ones, Y means yellow, so we will color it yellow. And try to color it within the outline, okay. Y means yellow, R means red, BR means brown, PI means pink, L blue is light blue, LG is light green, okay. I'm sure you by now remember O is orange. I've finished most of it. Only this light green background is left, so I'm just coloring that. Okay, so you're going to finish coloring like this nicely. Take a picture and send it to me. Make sure you cover all the white spaces, okay? Do not leave any white space. Okay, so this is how it will look. Okay, take a picture and send it to me. That's all for the day. Have a good day. Bye bye.